So we certainly love our 2009 Toyota Sienna. Recently, the check engine light came on. And when the check engine light came on, another light came on that said VSC, and then another light that said track off. When I looked up check engine light for a 2009 Toyota Sienna, they were all grouped together. So this appears to be an issue with these particular vehicles. So one of the things that I had read was it was a gas cap. And I had noticed if I fiddled with my gas cap, I could make the lights go off. But then finally that solution quit working. So I went to the Toyota dealership, bought another gas cap. That worked for a little while and then it didn't. So that works kind of off and on. So what we did, at least got one of these gadgets for us here where we could read the computer of the vehicle, and with some help from some people who know more about cars than I do, we were able to pinpoint that it was a few spark plugs and an ignition coil. So today, again, I don't know a lot about cars, but thank God for YouTube videos, we're going to go ahead and change those out. So there is the check engine light. Again, the engine's not running, which is why the check oil light is on as well right now. That's normally not on, but I just wanted to show you where that check engine light was, what it looks like. Right there, VSC and track off. So I'm hoping that you can see this, but right in here, we're gonna release the hood latch. Let's go ahead and we'll open the hood here. Alright, so now what we want is going to be underneath here. And so according to my readout, we have a spark plug under here and here and here. This is also where the ignition coils are, and this is the coil that will also be changing. So I've decided I'm going to do these one at a time so I don't get anything mixed up. So here's the bolt that I just took off, and there's the first ignition coil, and the spark plug is down inside, which I will be removing next. Spark plug number one. And new one in. Put the coil back on here. That's tight. So there's that one. Alright, so this is the one that we are really interested in right here. Anyways, this is the ignition coil that needs to be changed. So while I'm at it, I'm also going to change the spark plug. So first thing is, let's get this coil out of here. Alright, there's that screw that I don't want to lose. Set that there. Okay. So this supposedly is the bad coil. So I have the replacement one right here, but before I do that, let's change this plug. So now we get this other spark plug out here. Alright, pull this plug out of here. Plug in. And then we'll work on that coil. Okay, so that spark plug is in. And here is the new ignition coil. As you can see, there it is. It's like the old one. I went and bought a wrench that fit these spark plugs without realizing that what I really needed was a spark plug socket with a rubber gasket in it, which is why you see me using the magnet. Okay, that's on there. We're going to start it, see how it goes. So I'm going to say that was successful. Car started. There you have it.